this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is another video for Scraptember, and here I go again in my traveler's notebook. I pull out all of Paige Evans' Turn the Page and Pick Me Up lines, and I've already gessoed with white gesso on my traveler's notebook there. And I decided to get out my distress oxides and do a little bit of circling on it, I guess, if you want to call it. Not quite sure what you want to say, but I'm trying to achieve pink, purple, and like a teal type color with my traveler's notebook. This traveler's insert is going into the notebook that I did a couple days ago, where I did my current whatever. And this traveler's notebook is all about like self-reflection. That'd probably be the best that I'm going to use it for. So I'm taking some of my selfie pictures that I may have, or some, pictures like you'll see here in a second, where they've been taken on me, or taken for me, or whatever the case may be, and going to reflect off of them. And the two colors that I picked is Peacock Feathers and Picked Raspberry. And I really wanted to achieve a smooth look, and the gesso does it really well. So then I take my water and I spray it so I get like speckles. If you have not worked with distress oxides, I'm excited to state that in October, a few of us ladies are going to do some techniques with the distress oxides, and we're going to have a video a day. So I'm hoping that I can be able to do a few things for you guys and show you guys something different. With the water reacts, the distress oxides react to it in a different fashion, and it leaves it with a bunch of watered speckles. And you can't see it on camera, but off camera or like in person, you can really truly see it. So this stamp right here that I am stamping is from Close to My Heart. It's an old stamp that's no longer available. The butterflies that you see me working with is from the Paige Evans collection. I think it's the Pick Me Up one. Maybe Turn to Page. I'm not sure. I have one stamp that's like an edged butterfly. The other one is circled butterflies. And then the two little sayings that you see on my page is called Messy Hair Don't Care. And the other one is I Woke Up Like This. And then I have one that's called Read This, Read This. So those are all the stamps that I'm using. And I'm just stamping all over on this page because I just really liked the messy look of this. I just keep going. Whatever I felt like that would work. I'm hoping that you guys are enjoying these, and I hope that you guys enjoyed the Scrappy Chat yesterday. And if you haven't followed my channel yet, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button if you like this video and would like to see more. I won't be doing a video a day, but I'll definitely have stuff on my channel, of course, after September here. And make sure that you go check out Natalie Bowers and Laura Alberts. They will be linked down below. And here I am doing the date stamp, and I'm just placing the date everywhere. This particular picture was done on the day before my birthday. Not this past year, but the year before. I went to Greece, and I took a bunch of ladies. That was the first time I've ever taken women on a trip before. Normally it's just Josh and I or myself, and I definitely learned a ton of different things when it comes to ladies. By all means, I've learned a ton of different things. And this picture got taken, and I felt very self-aware of this picture and of my birthday and where my life has been and that kind of stuff. So what I did is that in the journaling, when you see where I place it, I stated the different side of me. I am outgoing, knowing what I need and want. I am selfish, and I always want the best for people. And then I was going to put a little bit more on there. I'm not quite sure. That's the furthest that I've gotten while I'm doing this voiceover with you guys. And it's just something that I have to learn for myself, that I have to learn to do it and I have to remind myself that I'm going to be, that I can make sure that I can help people when I can and be all of that, because I have always had a sense, I may show outgoing, I may do a lot here on social media and that kind of stuff, but I'm very cautious about a lot of things in my life and all that kind of stuff in general, and sometimes I forget that I become too outgoing and not realize that I need to reel that back in a little bit and realize that I need to do something for myself and not for everybody else. So that's kind of the reflection of this one, and that's kind of what this journal is all about, is reflecting on not always the bad, but the good, the medium, the middle, the end, that kind of stuff. And that's what this insert's going to all be about. Here I am, I'm placing down the photo. You guys saw that I did my distressing of my layers and got the layers done. And then I'm placing this journal card inside, and I'm just kind of cutting the edges off and getting it kind of tucked in there, because I wanted it kind of off to the side a little bit. And I placed the date, which is June of 2017. The journaling is more of now than back in June of 2017, but I wanted to, put the dates down of when I've at least taken my, selfless pictures, pretty much. And here I am, I'm placing tons and tons of little stickers around. Some of them say, let me get my insert, follow your heart, pick me up, okay, let's do this, let's the good times roll, even better than yesterday, life is a dance, every day is a fresh start, good things to come, fresh start, you've got this, things like that. And that's what I place all around in there. And I just make sure that everything is just placed in here. It's really kind of that messy look, that uniform messy look, I should say. It's not too bright and bold, but it's still light enough and not too messy that it's too busy. And here I am, I'm just placing a little bit of stickers down, and I kind of just get this pretty much is done. Make sure that you go and check everybody else out. Everything will be linked down below, along with some still shots are coming up. Make sure that you hit that like and subscribe button if you want more content. And this is where I place the little words, and then that will be it, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye.